Welcome. In this video, let's see about what is method overloading. Let's create one new class for this in oops package. Method overloading. Create one main class, main object, main method. Now let's delete this command line. So now what is method? See, it is one of a main method. Main method also one method. If we need to create any other method, then we need to create outside of the method. We can't able to create any method within a method. First point is we can't create a method within a method, which means, for example, this is one main method. So if I'm creating one more method like outside the method, outside the main method, void print screen. So now I have written on another method right outside. So if I try to create this method within the main method, then it will throw an error. Let's see the error. Multiple marker at the line. Void is an invalid type of variable print screen. Syntax error on token void record expected. So which means it is assuming like it is the statement which has been written within this method. So if we do this, JavaScript will throw an error. So always we need to write a method within the class but not within the method. So this is method. So what is overloading? Overloading is when the method name is same with different argument or input parameter within the same class, which means I can able to create one more method. See, usually in int we can't able to create two int, right? I equal to 10. So can I able to create one more integer type with the same variable name? Integer type with the same variable name? No, because it will throw an error. We can't able to create one more duplicate. In method, we can able to create one more method, but with different parameters. What is parameters? For example, if you are passing any variable or data type within this method, here we are not passing any data, any parameter. So here no parameter. But if I pass any parameter here, int I, then this error will not arise. We can't able to create a same method once again with the same parameter. Are you getting? See, we have created one method right here. We have created one method, but I can't able to create a same method with the same parameter. I can't able to create. Here I am not passing any parameter, so I can't able to create another method with no parameter. So instead of that, if I need to use the same method name, then I need to pass any of the parameter, either int or char or boolean or string, I can pass any parameters. So here I have passed int I. So can I able to create one more method with the same integer type as a one parameter? Here we are passing only one parameter. So with the same only one parameter, can I able to create one more method? No. Why? Because this method overloading it won't accept with the same data type. It will accept only one parameter, but it won't accept the same data type. If I pass int, it won't accept. But instead of int, if I pass char, it will accept. Name should be different. Sorry. See. It will accept a different data type, but it won't accept the same data type for the single parameter. If I need to pass two parameter, I can able to pass two more than one parameter to this method. So this is method overloading. Method overloading is when the method name is same with different argument or parameter, different parameter within the class. Same class. So what is method overloading? When method name is same. See, here we have defined three methods with the same name. When method name is same with different parameter. Here we are not passing any parameter. Here we are passing int parameter. Here we are passing parent string parameter. So this is the different parameter within the class. So we have defined all these three parameters within the same class. But the restriction is I can't able to pass the same parameter once again. That is the disadvantage. Not disadvantage, this is the restriction here. That is duplicate method, which means same method name, same parameter, same data type. Same method name with same number of argument and data type are not allowed. The next one, so for example, here I'm just printing this out. I'm just printing we are inside the print screen method with no parameter. Parents means parameter. So here we are passing an int, right? Sysout system.out.println sysout. So within this we are in print screen method with int parameter. I'm just printing that variable I. So here also I'm just trying to print the same, like reference key method with char and string parameter. So h is character and the string parameter is name. So now if I need to execute this method, then what I need to do first I need to create one object for this class. So now I'm just trying to create one object, method overloading mo equal to, this is the reference value for this object. Now I'm creating an object, new method overloading. This is the object and this is the reference value of this object for this class. So now if I need to print this method, then mo dot print screen. So it will print, we are inside the print screen method with no parameter. If I need to print the second parameter, here if I pass a 5, so which 2 is, what is 2? It's an integer. So if it is integer, it will directly go to this method, because here only we are passing the integer. If we have two methods with the same parameter, then it will get confused to which method these two needs to get passed. That's why Java is not allowing to create a same method name with the same data type, same number of parameter. So now if I pass 2, we doesn't have any other input parameter as a int. So we have only one input, we have only one method with the input parameter as a int. So it will directly come at here and 2 will be assigned to this I. Then during the time of printing, it will print the value of 2. Let's see that. If I need to print this method, then I need to pass one character. So character is m, the second parameter. So if I need to pass another parameter, I need to separate by comma. So comma, string name is MKprogramz. So if I try to execute this method, it will print all these 3 lines. We are in the print screen method with the int parameter is 2. So 2 is get flow into here. So m is a character. So we are passing the m at here. So h is assigned with m. So during the time of printing, it is printing as m. We are passing mk. This is a string. So for character, we have mentioned in single quote. For string, we have mentioned in double quote. So it will treat as a string. So this string will come and assign to this name, and during the time of execution, it is trying to print this name. And one more thing. So this is the main method, right? Can we able to create one more main method within the same class? Will Java will allow to create one more main method? Let's see that. Public void main. If I try to do this, it will allow, but here also I am using main method, here also I am using main method. Why it is not throwing an error here? Because here we are passing an argument of string. So this is, we are passing one parameter as a string. Here we are not passing any parameter. if I pass a same kind of parameter here, then it will throw an error. Java will get confused which is the main method. So Java will allow to create more main method, but we need to pass a different parameter. Will allow to create more only with different parameter. So this is method overloading. So let's see in the next video. Thank you.